to own up to something. To own up to something is to admit to something. If we're watching a movie, maybe a crime movie or a thriller, and the detectives have caught a suspect, then perhaps one will say to the other, has he owned up to it? In other words, has he told them and admitted that he committed the crime? So if we do something bad, we have two choices. We can own up to it, we can admit it, or we can deny it. I'm trying to think if there's anything I've done that I should own up to. I think perhaps there are some things, but I'm not going to own up to them here on camera. Sometimes in life it's better not to own up. Or perhaps I should own up. I don't know. Anyway, it's up to you if you want to own up to the things that you've done wrong. Perhaps to sleep at night you feel you should. But often the best course of action is just to deny everything. Probably you will get away with it.